Good afternoon, guys. Remember how yesterday we talked about all the fun stuff that we did during the summer? We're going to make a list of all kinds of stuff that reminds us of summer. Today we're going to use some of those items and help us compare several different objects by measuring. In our world, there's so many things we can measure. More and less are opposites, just like big and small. We're going to look at things in the classroom along with our summer list and compare the objects. We'll look at what's longer or shorter, which is heavier, which is lighter, and just compare everything. So let's start out with our list. Can anyone tell me something big on their list?
An elephant.
Yeah? What does that have to do with summer?
Every summer, me and my family go to the zoo.
Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so let's look at our big elephant. My drawings aren't the best, guys, but we will. Okay, there's our elephant. So, can anyone think of something small, an animal that's really small?
Mouse.
A mouse? Yeah, that's really good. Okay, so our mouse is pretty little, right? There's our mouse. So can anyone tell me something about these two animals?
They're both gray.
They're both gray? Yeah, that's true. They are gray. So our elephant is really big, right? And our mouse is real small. So let's think about their size. Which animal's bigger?
Elephant.
Right, the elephants are huge and the mouse is tiny. That's such an awesome way to put it. We compared the two objects by measuring. One was big and one was small. So now let's look around the classroom. Can y'all see anything that's pretty tall?
The shelf.
The shelf, yeah, that is pretty tall. So now let's see, what about something that's pretty short, low to the ground?
Chairs.
The chair, yeah, the chairs are really short. So let's look at the chairs compared to the bookshelf. What do they, when we put them side by side, what's their comparison?
The bookshelf is taller.
The bookshelf's a lot taller than our chair right here, that we can tell. The chair's pretty low to the ground, and then our shelf is pretty tall up here. So y'all are doing really good at this. I think y'all are really getting the hang of it. So let's think of ice creams, okay? Let's say we're gonna go to the ice cream shop. Tyler, how much scoops of ice cream do you want?
2.
2? Okay. Let's draw that out. So we have our ice cream scoop. There's one ice cream scoop and there's 2 ice cream scoops. Okay. Now, Dory, how much ice cream do you want from the ice cream shop?
1.
Just 1? Okay. So there's our ice cream cones and there's 1 scoop. So what can we see about these ice cream cones?
2 scoops are taller than 1.
That's right. 2 ice cream scoops are taller than just our 1 over here. Y'all are doing awesome. Let's try this on our own now. We're gonna get these worksheets and I'm gonna let y'all work on them. And if you have any questions or anything, just holler. Just raise your hand and I'll be right there to help y'all, okay?
And what do we do with them?
So, okay, we're just gonna follow the instructions and circle the object that's either longer or taller. And then on this one, we'll just do longer out of these 2 objects. This one, we'll do which object is taller. This is what container holds more. This one is which person is shorter. This one's going to be which is bigger. And this one will be which holds less. Okay? So if y'all have any questions, just raise your hand and let me know, okay?
Okay, so this one was longer.
Yeah, you're going to
Which
pick
one
which
is
one is longer. Right.
Okay.
That's good. Good job.
Taller.
Okay.
This one.
That's which cup holds more? Which one do you think would hold more? Is that one kind of confusing you? Okay. So let's take a look. Hold on. Let's take a look at these 2 cups. Okay? This 1 cup is going to be our smaller one over here. And then this big cup is going to be this one right here. So which cup do you think we could fit more in? This one? Okay, so that's our big cup, right? So this cup is going to be the one that holds more. Okay?
And what does this word say?
That says shorter. So you're going to pick which guy is shorter. Yeah, great job. That looks really good, Tyler. You're doing a really good job.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And that's good. That's going to be your bigger fish.
Okay. And what does this say?
That says holds less. So which bowl can you fit the least amount of cereal in?
This one.
Perfect. Good job. Sit down. So y'all really did a good job, and I think y'all really got this down in comparing the two objects for which one on the comparison wise. So always remember that more and less are opposites, just like when big and small. When we compare two objects, we just need to put them together and measure them. Remember, we can compare pretty much anything. Just think about the terms and decide if they are taller or shorter, small or large, lighter, heavier, hotter or colder, warmer. We could go on forever. We do these things all the time in comparing everyday lives. So let's think about yesterday. Yesterday outside, it got up to 107. That's pretty hot, huh?
Very.
Okay, so it was 107 degrees outside yesterday. All right, and on Monday, it was 99 degrees. So can y'all tell me which day was hotter between the 2 days?
Yesterday.
Yeah, that's right. Yesterday was 107 and Monday was only 99. So the hottest day is going to be yesterday and the coolest day would be Monday. Okay? Now, y'all are really doing an awesome job and it's almost time for recess. So I just want to thank y'all so much for being so good and getting the hang of it. Tomorrow we're going to get a ruler and we're going to compare the lengths of objects using our rulers and our inches. I want y'all to go home this evening and think of stuff in your house that we can compare the sizes of. I can't wait to see how awesome y'all do tomorrow.